Yeah, okay, we really need help here with that. Things are not ever.
Oh boy, it's good to be here. And I especially like standing out in the corner with all the rabble-rousers that don't want any Obamacare. Oh, it's so terrible with their leather coats and they got theirs.
Actually, even goes on to like plexiglass. Yeah. It will show up on anything.
I'm a retired educator.
Two-handed protester.
There you go. If I can brush. But I only got 2 hands.
I'm here for a reason.
You know, to him, healthcare is a privilege. Those people.
Thank you all for being here. Can't tell you how important this is. I can't tell you how important this is. I know we've hit a weird time. We hit a weird time. But we know we got a report out, new data that showed that 100,000 more Minnesotans were uninsured in 2009 compared to 2 years ago. Meanwhile, we've learned that executives and shareholders of the 5 biggest for-profit health insurance had a combined profit of $12.2 billion in 2009, up 56%. And they were angry. And people are angry. People have a right to be angry.
We are too.
And they started off passed around. I said, well, I think the most egregious thing was the death panels. And did you know that every member of the Tea Party that was there shook their head, yeah, that was bad. And let's not let the perfect be the enemy of the very, very good. Okay? But what's going to happen, and the way this is going to go down, the way I believe this has to go down, is that the House has to vote for the Senate bill, so we don't have to go through, we don't have to get 60 in the Senate again, and then reconcile it. I think that the excise tax on, quote, Cadillac plans is going to go. And I think what we're going to see is taxes on very affluent Americans. They'll pay for it. The path we're going on is unsustainable. It is absolutely unsustainable. And we do have essentially death panels now, and there are insurance companies who deny you care. But they'd be worried that if they want to start a small business, that they wouldn't ever be able to because they couldn't afford the health insurance if they left their job. That's not America. America is supposed to be the entrepreneurial country.
Woo! Yes.
Small business is where it creates jobs. My brother-in-law and his family went bankrupt because my sister-in-law got sick. That's just wrong. That doesn't happen in other countries. Well, we're going to stop it by getting rid of annual and lifelong caps. So, because bankruptcy, number one cause of bankruptcy in this country, medical crises, and more than 70% of the people who go bankrupt because of medical crisis have health insurance. They just go over their annual cap, or they go over their yearly cap, or their insurance company doesn't cover them. We're going to get rid of that.